Hi, welcome to 701 Avenue D, a newly renovated two-bedroom home. Hello. As you enter, you're brought inside your large open space living room. This is the first of the two bedrooms with sizable closets. Here it is virtually staged so you can see what your furniture might look like inside. This is the second of the two bedrooms. And don't forget this kitchen. It has new kitchen countertops, lots of cabinet space, an easy care ceramic tile floor. And this is the newly renovated bathroom with vaulted ceilings, new bathroom tiles, and modern updated lighting fixtures. And a good sized laundry space for your appliances and storage. What do you think of 701 Avenue D? Yes? Is this a good house? It is. Should somebody call today to see it?